Hello everybody, and welcome to my third technological tool, Bubble.us, a fun way to create graphic organizers, PLNs, and timelines that will give students a free platform to become a little bit more organized. Now the first thing you're going to do is go to Bubble.us, spell as it is right here on the home screen. Then you're going to want to register. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to sign in. And remember, registering is free. So on your home page, you're going to find nothing at first. And then the PLNs and the graphic organizers that you create will come over here. To create a new one, you're going to go to New Mind Map. So you're going to click one, and you get a blank bubble. So let's say the topic I'm learning about is the Boston Tea Party. So I come over here and I create the first bubble and give a little explanation. The Boston Tea Party was a protest for unfair taxes. So then, once I'm done, I can either create a different thought bubble by just, double clicking, or if I wanted to create a connection, I would just hit CTRL enter, or go over here, and then look, you have a connecting bubble that you can either create a timeline, you can move it however you want to, and in the main bubble, you can actually organize it in different ways. You can do a tree, you can do a circle, just whatever you want. So now we're just going to do a grid, and then you can put what happened. A bloody battle took place in town square after. So you can keep creating bubbles, keep adding, make them different colors if you wanted to. You can keep them the same color if you wanted to by clicking here. And like I said, all that's going to create is new and different ways to come up and connect with ideas. So this is a little about what Bubble.us helps you do. You can come up with anything you want on this, PLNs, like I'm creating a timeline here. You can do different looking graphic organizers, all in order to help the lesson be more effective and give students a way to study that's a little bit more neat. Overall, Bubble.us is a fantastic tool, and all teachers and educators should implement it in their classrooms.